Problem number 10, and the problem is ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC, show that angle B is equal to angle C. Let's draw the picture. Let ABC be a triangle where AB is equal to AC. Now draw a perpendicular AP upon BC. So given AB is equal to AC, AP perpendicular to BC, we have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Proof: since AP perpendicular to BC, therefore triangle APB and triangle ACP are right angled triangle. Now in right angled triangle APB and triangle ACP, AB is equal to AC. Both are hypotenuse of the triangle APB and ACB. Okay, this is right angle and opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So in both the triangles hypotenuse are equal. Okay, and this is given condition. Okay, so here we write given, and AP is equal to AP because AP is common to both the triangles. So here which congruent rule is applicable? First of all, this is right angle triangle, so right angle triangle, here hypotenuse is same and here another side is same. So by RHS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So we write triangle APB congruent to triangle ACP by RHS congruence rule, and therefore we can write angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT rule. Both are corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Okay, so this is proved. Problem number 11. In the adjoining figure, BA perpendicular to AC, BA perpendicular to AC, DE perpendicular to DF, DE perpendicular to DF, such that BA is equal to DE and BF is equal to EC. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. So here which are given? Here it is given BA perpendicular to AC and DE perpendicular to DF. This is shown here. Therefore these two triangles are right angle triangle. So therefore triangle ABC and triangle DEF are right angled. Triangle. Okay, it is very clear to you. Next, here it is given BF is equal to EC. BF is equal to EC. BF is equal to EC. It is given. Now, if we add FC in both sides, then we will get BC is equal to EF. Once again, here it is given BF is equal to EC. Now, if we add FC in both sides, then we get BC and FE. Okay, so here we write implies BF plus FC is equal to EC plus FC. We add FC on both sides, therefore it will be BF plus FC means BC is equal to FE. Okay. Now, in right angle triangle ABC and triangle DEF, BC is equal to FE. BC is equal to FE. This is proved. I have already proved it. And BC and EF are both hypotenuse of the triangle ABC and DEF respectively, because BC is opposite side of the right angle A and FE is the opposite side of the right angle D. Okay, therefore both are hypotenuse, and here both hypotenuse are equal. And angle and BA is equal to DE. BA is equal to DE. It is another side of the right angle triangle. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. By which criteria? Obviously, by which congruence rule? Of course, this is by RHS congruence rule. RHS congruence rule. Okay. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence rule, and this is proved. Next, problem number 12. And the problem number 12 is ABC, it is a rectangle. X and Y are points on the sides AD and BC respectively, such that AY is equal to BX. Prove that BY is equal to X and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. Okay, for that purpose, at first I draw a rectangle, because here it is said that ABC is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle where X and Y are points on the side AD and BC. Suppose this is X and this is Y, are point on AD and BD respectively, such that AY is equal to BX. So sorry, is equal to BX. Okay, here it is given. So here given AY is equal to BX. We have to prove BY is equal to AX and angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. Now we have to prove these 2 points. For that purpose, we will prove the two triangle, that is triangle ABY and triangle ABX are congruent. Okay. Now, so we will write proof. And what will be the proof? Now, triangle ABY and triangle ABX are right angled. Because angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. We know that each angle of a rectangle are right angle. So therefore angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to also 90 degree. Therefore ABX and ABY both are right angle triangle. Okay. Now in right angle triangle ABY and triangle ABX, AY is equal to BX. This is given. AY is equal to BX. This is given. And AY, what is AY? AY is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABY. And BX is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABX. Okay. And AB is equal to AB. This is common. Okay. So here we write common side. So which criteria is fulfilled here? Obviously this is RHS congruence rule is applicable here. Therefore triangle ABY is congruent to triangle ABX by RHS rule, RHS congruence rule. Okay, since these two triangles are congruent, therefore their corresponding part will be equal. So we can write BY is equal to AX. Therefore BY is equal to AX by CPCT rule. And angle BAY means this angle BAY is equal to angle ABX. This is also by CPCT rule, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So these two are proved. Okay.